All right, Pixel 5 just came in the mail. We recorded the unboxing of an iPhone 12 Pro yesterday, so we got this one today. So we're gonna do a couple of videos comparing the 5G and the iPhone 12 Pro later today or tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, we're just gonna do an unboxing of both and do a quick compare to my iPhone or Pixel 3. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice. I really like that. Like I said, I had to get this one was glass and slippery, so I had to get this D brand case. I ordered the gold by accident, so I just went with it. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, it feels. Yeah, I won't need to get a case for it because it's not slippery. This one was super slippery, and they are real close to the same size. This is fantastic. All right, triple camera. Sweet. Let's see what else is in there. Another dongle, another USB-C cable, SIM card key. That's about it. Hope that helps. Like I said, the video is comparing the camera to the Pixel 4 or Pixel 3 and the Pixel 5, and the comparison of the iPhone 12 to the Pixel 5. We're gonna do that later today tomorrow, so those will be actually a lot more value add. So anyway, if that helped, like and subscribe. Thanks.